Ginagawa ko na rin sa mo. Ginagawa ko mapapasa. Yun, pass by Victor. Back to. Yes, sir! Black. Good luck, good luck. Yes, sir. 5. Ginagawa by 9. Tubira. Yes. Another 5. Pass by Ponce. 2. Yes, sir! Basket by Ponce 2. Jersey number 4.
Shot.
1-0. Alright.
Shot. Tapos.
2-0.
Sige sila yun. Hindi ko ba kaya tuloy sa basket? Hindi mo masok ka na naman. Ponce, kaya another pass by Zay. Zay by yes sir. Basket by Zay. 3-0. 3-0?
3-0.
Basket.
Good rebound by Victor. Victor pass by Posto. Posto. Ginawang power. 3-0. Favor of White. Basket by Jersey number 60. 3-1 favor of White. Zay. Yes, basket by Zay. 4-1 favor of White team. Nice pass by Roland. Loose ball. Ponce. Foul. Sino foul? 1 minute and 50 seconds. Ay, bigay na. 2 beses ng nakaw. Alright. The box, pass by Roland. Uminit si Roland. Basket by Roland. Tama siya. 4-2. Ganda na pagkakadali ni Mr. Roland doon. Suwak na suwak. Costly. By Victor. Tumil si Victor. Hindi pumasok. Nakawa ni Ponce. Hindi rin pumasok. Good rebound by the box. Good rebound by the box. Another round. Wow. Jabos. Spirit back. Yes sir. By Jabos.
Marlo Aquino.
4-2. Umikot si Martin. Another shot by Zay. 5-2. Favor of White. Jabos. Yes sir! Talaga naman! Napakagaling! Jabos! By Jabos! 5-2.
Dokmanda Steeler.
Ano yung doktor natin? Basket by Doktor! 5-3. 5-3 favor of White. Yes! Nanakaw foul. 5-3 favor of White. Okay. Costly by Zay. Pinasa sa hangin. 5-3 favor of White.
Wow, uminit! Uminit. Jabos. Yes, sir! By Jabos. 6-2. 5-3.
5-4.
5-4. Doktora, Pumihe. Good block by Ai. Another rebound by Zay. 1 minute and 26 seconds. Yes, sir! Talaga naman. 6-4. Talaga naman bumuha sa akin. Yan ang pose. Alright, Tabora. Pass by. Yes, sir! Hindi naman pumasok. Good rebound by Victor. Foul by Roland. 6-4. Dalawa po ang kalamangan ng puti. 1 minute and 26 seconds remaining. Hosmer. Yes! Basket by Hosmer. 7-4. Tatlo na naman po ang kalamangan. Ponce 1. Yes! Good! I know kung foul. Alright. 7-4. Jabos. Pass by Tabora. Tabora. Pass by Ponce. Tumira sa tres. Yes! Hindi ko masok. Good rebound. Another Ponce. Pass by Ponce. Ponce.
Austin Ponce. Marze.
Marze. Pass by Kai. Yes! Hindi ko masok. Good. Rebound by Ponce. Ponce. Tuloy-tuloy sa basket. Pass by Tabora. Okay, touch by Victor. Touch by Victor. 7-5, 22 seconds remaining. 20 seconds. Alright, kailangan na. 10 minutes na lang. 10 seconds na lang. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 time for the second game.
Okay, second half.
Second half. Okay, naman po ang puti. 7-4. 3 points by white jersey. Okay, tuloy-tuloy po ulit tayo. Change court na. Alright, time. Pass. Alright, good. Steal by Jabo. And Doktora tuloy-tuloy sa basket. Yes! Hindi pumasok. Another one. Alright, wala ko yung talaga naman naluloy. Okay, Ponce 2. Pass by Hosne 7. Hosne pass by Zay. Zay by Zay. Basket by Zay. 8-4. 8-4. Favor of white.
Basket ba? Basket lang.
8-5. 9-5. Favor of white. 9-5. Nice pass. Hindi kayo tiniyo. Alright, Jabos, sumigot na naman. Napakalupit mo, Mr. Jabos. Yan ang awang power. 9-5. Favor of white team. Tabora! Yes, sir! 9-6.
Mga bata. Bola pa.
Oo, sir. Oo, baka matali. Boys. Yes, sir!
Memory.
Yes, Doctora. Good block by Zay. Hosty by Ponce. Hosty by Ponce. Yes, sir. Easy layup by Hosty. 10-6. Tabora. Benjar. Ibu masuk. Jabot. Yes, sir. By Jabot. 10-7. Kapten po malaman. Hosty. Kemudian pasang. Yes, sir. 11-7. Ponce. Umukol sa tres. Yes, hindi po basket. Another one. Ponce. Pass by Tabora. Good pass by Ponce. Ponce. Yes, by Jabot. Hindi na naman masuk. Good rebound by Doctora. Yes, sir, by Doctora. 11-8.
Okay, Ponce to
Hosty. Hosty. Yes, sir! Basket by Hosty. 12-8. Ponce. Dribble by Ponce. Tuloy-tuloy sa basket. Alright. Pass by Tabora. Tabora attempt to 2. Yes, sir! Easy basket by Tabora. 12-9. 3 points. 3 points po ang kalamangan ng White. Kai, pass by Victor. Rebound, pass by Zay. Easy, basket by Zay. 39. 4 points. Alright, another Zay. Yes! Wow! Good rebound by Jabot. Ang lupit ng Jabot niya, talaga naman. Pinag-ipunan ng lakas. Jabot, galing yun. Yes! Hindi pumasok. Sayang. Hindi pumasok. Ang gagawin steal by Mr. Roland. Ponce, umungol sa tres. Yes! Hindi pumasok. Nakita ng Tabora. Back to Ponce. Ponce to Hosty. Ponce to yes, sir! By Roland. 13-10. Tatlo na lang po ang malamang. Pag nakakashoot, ang bilis ni Bukale.
Pero yun eh.
Ay, itim tayo, itim nung
Team C yan. Team C na kalaban ka. Rematch.
2016 ng score na.
Tama ba?
Kai, good rebound by Jabot. Alupit ng Jabot siya. Alupit ng rebound by Jabot siya. Ayun na, ibigay na. Basket by Doctora. 13-11. Dalawa na lang. Yes! May nakuwang foul. 13-11. Dalawa na lang po ang kalamangan ng kinte. Ang ating oras po ay tumatakbo sa 1 minute and 47 seconds. Wala ko sabi. Yung unang laban natin, tabla, di ba?
1 minute, yung next game. Yun yung next game. Kaso kulang na tayo. Wala na yung lumag kami.
Hindi, kukuha na lang tayo sa Sir Jerry mo.
Oo, siko. Sige. Isa na lang. Nakashoot.
13-12, isa na lang ang kalamangan. Humagol. Ang oras ay 1 minute 59 seconds.
Silang lamang, oh. Nice, Victor!
Yes, sir! By Victor! 40-12. 41 seconds. 36 seconds.
Dos kayo, puta na ha, item.
Yes, sir!
Dos, dos.
By White, 15-12.
Dos, dos.
24 seconds. Basket, 20 seconds.
Dalawa lamang.
15 seconds. 40, 30, 1, 11, 8, 9,
Oh, may chance pa.
7, 6,
2 points.
4, 3, 2, 1. Basket! Okay, 15-30 in favor of White. White. Wala pang panalo to.
Ano ba, square yung square na? Okay, yung square, diba?